Prepare to be immersed in a gaming experience like never before with the Samsung Odyssey Neo G9. As the latest addition to Samsung's esteemed line of gaming monitors, the Neo G9 promises to redefine the standards of immersive gameplay. With a stunning combination of cutting-edge technology, an ultra-wide display, and innovative features, this monitor aims to set a new benchmark for gaming excellence. In this review, we'll explore the key features that make the Samsung Odyssey Neo G9 a standout choice for gaming enthusiasts. At the heart of the Odyssey Neo G9 is its colossal 57-inch QLED display. This quantum dot technology-driven panel boasts providing a pixel-rich canvas for an unparalleled visual feast. Neo G9 claims the title of the world's first dual UHD monitor with DisplayPort 2.1 compatibility. This curved monitor spans the width equivalent to two 32-inch 4K UHD monitors, featuring a 7680 by 2160 pixel resolution that defines the concept of dual UHD. The ultra-wide 32:9 aspect ratio ensures an expansive field of view, engulfing players in the gaming environment and enhancing peripheral awareness. One of the highlights of the Neo G9 is its mini LED backlighting technology. By employing smaller and more discrete dimming zones, the Neo G9 monitor aims to achieve sharper contrast, leveraging the capabilities of Samsung's quantum matrix technology. With thousands of tiny LEDs working in unison, this display technology offers precise control over brightness and enhances local dimming capabilities. The result is an exceptional contrast ratio, vibrant colors, and deeper blacks, creating a lifelike and dynamic visual experience. Samsung has employed a 1000R curvature for the Neo G9, ensuring that the monitor aligns with the natural curvature of the human eye. This curvature enhances the sense of immersion by creating a more uniform viewing distance across the entire display. Whether you're exploring vast landscapes or engaging in intense firefights, the curved screen pulls you into the heart of the action. Equipped with Quantum HDR 1000 technology, the Neo G9 delivers HDR content with astounding clarity and contrast. HDR content is presented with a peak brightness of 1000 nits, ensuring that highlights shine brilliantly and dark areas maintain exceptional detail. Additionally, with a refresh rate of 240 Hz, this monitor caters to gamers who demand fluid and responsive gameplay, providing a competitive edge in fast-paced titles. The Odyssey Neo G9 features an ultra-fast 1 millisecond response time, virtually eliminating motion blur and ghosting. This swift response time ensures that each frame renders crisply, providing an advantage in fast-paced genres where split-second decisions can determine success or failure. The combination of a high refresh rate and low response time creates a seamless and immersive gaming experience. For a tier-free gaming experience, the Neo G9 supports AMD FreeSync Premium Pro technology. This adaptive sync technology synchronizes the monitor's refresh rate with the graphics card, eliminating screen tearing and stuttering. The result is a smoother and more immersive gaming experience, allowing players to focus on the action without distractions. Adding a touch of futuristic elegance, the Neo G9 features Samsung's Core Lighting Plus system. This RGB lighting strip on the back of the monitor can be customized to match your gaming setup or sync with in-game events. The ambient lighting enhances the overall aesthetics, creating a visually stunning gaming environment. In a nutshell, reasons to buy: 240 Hz refresh rate, fast response time, excellent color accuracy, impressively huge screen. Reasons to skip: pricey, need high-end graphics card. The Samsung Odyssey Neo G9 is a game changer, a monitor that redefines the way we experience games. It's an investment in immersion, performance, and visual fidelity that will leave even the most jaded gamers speechless. If you're looking for the ultimate gaming display, look no further. The Odyssey Neo G9 is a titan of tech, and it's here to conquer your gaming world. That's it for this review. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more valuable content in the future. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll be sure to answer them. See you in the next one.